with the chatbot in Python from the Skill Gurukul. Please like and subscribe our channel to get the informative and latest technology video. So here we can see the how to make the chatbot. So for that making the chatbot, we need to use the OpenAI API, Google Colab, and Copilot, and other related technology. So let's go to here the Google Colab where it linked with the Google Drive, so that give you the Python environment where you can run your code. So let's go to the example. Here I am making the MyBot one where I install the Flask. After that, I install some APIs and authentication token where I can authorize to use my API to here. And after that, I'm using the Flask request to create the chatbot. So these are the HTML programming to making the web page using the Flask inside the Python. So in the chatbot, we are taking the some information of weather API, stock marketing, news, cricket score, and some currency rate, and some smart reply, which I can add as a text. So it will reply, and some other text also we can mention here, so that if user ask anything, so you can reply according to that. So I just run these programs, and then it take us to another window, which is the live info chatbot, where you asking this hi, so it will reply to you. Now you can ask stock, it will reply Reliance stock, like example from the APIs. Whether so now it is giving the Ghaziabad weather as well. So programming behind the chatbot is like that. You need to authorize certain API, open API, where you need to use the your free API ID. That all links I'll put it into the description and comment section so that you can able to get it. And another authorization you need to do here as well, ngrock.com, where you need to show this authentication, and you need to paste it here. So here the two APIs would be required. One is the vintage API key, another one is the add authentication key for the nrock. These two APIs you need to put it to yours, then only it will work. And then this code I'll place into the comment or description uh, area, so that you can able to work on that. That is quite simple to create the chatbot. Once you run both code, then you will get it the one URL, ngrock. So it will host here as a free application for temporary base. Once you running this, it will return you the hosting environment. So like these are the tools we are using, and this is the architecture, how Google Colab is working. It will give you the Python flavor, and you can use whatever you want inside the Python. And simple Flask is used to create the chatbot environment with minimal UI and render to deployment. Thank you. Please subscribe our YouTube channel so that you will get it the all related to information. Even though you can use the Copilot as well, Copilot, so you can take the help from the Copilot as well. And here also you can take the help of step by step. So I'm also using some AI tools to get the help into Python. So each and everything you will get it from here as well. Get the your API ID and stop root. So just do the hit and trial, then you will get the exact what we are trying to do. Thank you very much, and we'll come with the next session with interesting thing.